Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see class 9 subject maths chapter number 4 ratio and proportion practice set 4.1. So question number 1 is from the following pairs of numbers find the reduced form of ratio of first number to second number. So first is 72 60. So its ratio is equal to 72 upon 60. So 12 6 are 72 and 12 5 are 60. So is equal to 6 upon 5. So is equal to ratio 6 is to 5. Now second 38 and 57. We have to write the ratio form of this. So its ratio is equal to 38 upon 57. So both these numbers can be divided by 19. 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57 is equal to 2 by 3. So it's equal to 2 is to 3. Now third 52 78. So ratio is equal to 52 upon 78. Both these numbers can be divided by 26. 26 2s are 52 and 26 3s are 78. So it's equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 2 is to 3. Question 2. Find the reduced form of the ratio of the first quantity to second quantity. First rupees 700, rupees 308. So both the quantities are rupee in rupees, so we can write ratio form as ratio is equal to 700 upon 300 is equal to, both numbers can be divided by 28. So after dividing we get 25 upon 11. So its ratio can be written as 25 is to 11. Now second rupees 14, rupees 12 and 40 paise. So firstly we have to convert rupees into paise. So rupees 14 is equal to 14 multiplied by 100 paise is equal to 1400 paise, and rupees 12 and 40 paise is equal to 12 multiplied by 100 paise plus 40 paise is equal to 1200 plus 40 paise is equal to 1240 paise. So therefore ratio is equal to rupees 14 upon rupees 12 and 40 paise is equal to 1400 paise upon 1240 paise. So 0 get cancelled. Both numbers can be divided by 4. So after dividing we get is equal to 35 upon 31. So its ratio is equal to 35 is to 31. Now third 5 liters 2500 ml. Firstly, we will convert liter into ml. So 5 liter is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 ml is equal to 5000 ml. So therefore, ratio is equal to 5 liters upon 2500 ml is equal to 5000 ml upon 2500 ml. So 5000 upon 2500. So 0 get cancelled. Remain 50 upon 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. So it's equal to 2 upon 1. So its ratio is equal to 2 is to 1. Now fourth, 3 years, 4 months, 5 years, 8 months. Firstly, we will convert years into months. So 3 years, 4 months is equal to 3 years means 3 multiplied by 12 months plus 4 months. So is equal to 36 plus 4 months is equal to 40 months. Next quantity 5 years 8 months is equal to 5 multiplied by 12 months plus 8 months is equal to 5 12 are 60. 60 plus 8 months is equal to 68 months. So therefore ratio is equal to 3 years 4 months upon 5 years 8 months. Now is equal to converted quantities 40 months upon 68 months is equal to 40 upon 68. So after dividing by 4 we get 14s are 40, 4 17s are 68. So is equal to 10 upon 17. It's equal to 10 is to 17. Fifth 3.8 kg 1900 gram. So 3.8 kg can be converted into gram by multiplying it by 1000. So 3.8 kg is equal to 3.8 multiplied by 1000 gram is equal to 3800 gram. So therefore ratio is equal to 3800 upon 1900 as both the quantities are in gram. So 0 0 get cancelled, again 0 0 get cancelled. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38. So is equal to 2 upon 1 is equal to 2 is to 1. Sixth, 7 minutes 20 seconds, 5 minutes 6 seconds. Firstly, we will convert minutes into seconds. So 7 minutes 20 seconds is equal to 7 multiplied by 60 seconds plus 20 seconds is equal to 420 plus 20 seconds is equal to 440 seconds. Now second quantity 5 minutes 6 seconds is equal to 5 multiplied by 60 seconds plus 6 seconds is equal to 300 plus 6 seconds is equal to 306 seconds. Therefore, ratio is equal to 440 seconds upon 306 seconds. After dividing it by 2, we get 220 upon 153. So, its ratio is equal to 220 is to 153. Question 3. Express the following percentages as ratios. First, 75 is to 100. So its ratio is equal to 75 is to 100 is equal to 75 upon 100. Both these numbers can be divided by 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. So is equal to 3 upon 4. Its ratio is equal to 3 is to 4. Now second, 44 is to 100. So ratio 44 is to 100 is equal to 44 upon 100. So 4 11s are 44, 4 25s are 100. So it's equal to 11 upon 25. So its ratio is equal to 11 is to 25. Third, 6.25%. So ratio is equal to 6.25%. Percent means divided by 100. So it's equal to 6.25 upon 100 is equal to 625 upon 100 multiplied by 100. 625 means 25 multiplied by 25. So we can write 25 multiplied by 25 upon 100 means 25 into 4. So upon 25 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 4. So 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. Again 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. Is equal to 1 upon 4 multiplied by 4. So it's equal to 1 upon 16. So its ratio is equal to 1 is to 16. Now fourth, ratio of 52 is to 100. So is equal to 52 upon 100 is equal to 4 13s are 52 and 4 25s are 100. So is equal to 13 upon 25 is equal to 13 is to 25. Fifth, 0.64%. We have to express this percentage as ratio. So 0.64% is equal to 0.64 upon 100. 0.64 multiplied by 100 is equal to 64, or we can shift the decimal place. Is equal to 64 upon 100 multiplied by 100. So factors of 64 is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 upon 100's factor is 25 multiplied by 4, again multiplied by 25 multiplied by 4. So 4 4 get cancelled, again 4 4 get cancelled. So is equal to 4 upon 25 multiplied by 25 is equal to 4 upon 625 is equal to 4 is to 625. Remaining questions we will see in next video. If you want to watch the similar videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.